Welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV in Trolla, California. I am bringing you a new product. It's called Unmapped, which is a division from Arbod from Forest River. This is a brand new product with the new ideas, new changes. It's amazing, and I'm gonna show it to you right now in this video from outside and inside. Let's start from the beginning. So it has nice automotive window in the front, as you see, with lit up logo said Unmapped, 2 propane tank with a cover, electric tank jack. As well, it has the 2 tones, the white and the gray. Full pass-through storage with aluminum frame. This is a vacuum bonded aluminum frame. And then there's the light switch for the logo on the front. As you see here, what is to catch my eyes is the tailgating in this trailer. This trailer is designed to be tailgating or outdoor party or outdoor kitchens, you name it. So it has everything. As you see, power awning with LED light, that's a big deal. 2 big outdoor speakers, outside grill, and you have a nice here bar. You could mix drinks. You could use it as a nice eating table outside with a shelf. By the way, this back where it said Unmapped R-Pod, this one is lit up. There's a light switch here. It's very hard to see in the sun, but there's a light behind this logo. There's 110 and USB plug, so in case if you have margarita mixers, you have something you want to run off 110, or if you want to charge your phone. I love the beer openers right there. So perfect bar, and it said here tailgate outdoor bar. It comes with this 26 bunkhouse. It's a beautiful, you could talk to your families inside, say, hey, could you pass me this bottle? Could you pass me this salt, peppers, whatever. But also the nice thing is you have a nice view when you sit on the table from inside. And we're gonna catch this when we go inside because it has the bar 2 tables pull-out dinette. And we're gonna talk about it when we go inside. Now, the major features about this unit, it has 400 watt solar panel in the roof. And as you see, it's as the fiberglass, full storage underneath the bunk. There's 2 bunks over here, double over doubles, and the storage from inside and storage from outside. Outside sprayer, as you see here. So if you want to rinse your feet, dogs, you name it, before you walk inside your trailer, rinse your kids. This is the pack and play door, which is giving you a full storage. And again, you could store things. This here, actually, if we go inside, and I'm gonna show you this from inside, is fold. And the reason why they're folding this, voila, this is very important. I wanna show you the reason why it's fold. So if you have kayak or something long you wanna store here, you have no problem. You could get it from here, no question. And you have so much distance all the way to the kitchen countertop. So you could put easy 18-foot kayak on this one, or just electric bike, or whatever you want to put. And as I said, you see it's easy to make. Beautiful spare tires and the covers in the back. There's a leopard expandable ladders, backup camera. Over here you have the 30 amp power cord connections. Also it has the light, so you could see at night. You don't have to use a flashlight. Cable, black tank flush over there. Low point drains, waste and sewer outlet right there. And then this is where's the theater seating on the slide. Endless hot water heater, and a full storage, as you see, all the way to the front. The Unmapped, I'm really anxious to go inside and see the bar 2 table pull-up dinette, because it's amazing, and who invented this idea, did a good job. Let's go inside and see the Unmapped 26 bunkhouse from inside. Firstly, I'm really impressed with the bar 2 table pull-out dinette. This is my major conversation is gonna be talking about this one. Plus the beauty, show me a bunk model where you could sit 2 couples or family outside. You could sit here, enjoy eating. Could you pass me some chicken? Yeah, I need a beef. Okay, and you got a plate, you eat, you enjoy the family, you enjoy the nice view, and also, guys, don't worry, you have a full privacy, you have a screen if you don't want the bugs coming in, so you could do either or. Now, all my talk is gonna be this, because all the rest is the same. Everybody make double over doubles and flipping bunk and theater seatings, but what I'm gonna talk about this one because it's very slick. So you guys, you see right now, I'm sitting on a nice island, nice counter space, 2-bar stool or 2 chairs, perfect. Now watch how I'm gonna expand this one by pulling it and make it a big dinette. So first you do is you pull this one out. Now this is extension. All you have to do is just pull it out. There's nothing to it. Voila. And you could put a bar stool here, and then you have 2 bar stool from outside, or you could take more. So I could easily sit 4 people on it. As you see, I'm sitting here, some plates, I could grab foods here, somebody sitting here, another person sitting here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I could get one over here, 5. So I could get on this one within second a big dinette table pull out, or when I'm done with eating lunch, dinners, then I could push it back, and watch how I can push it back. There's nothing to it. You just go straight all the way. It's very solid. It's actually faster than me because it has a spring inside, and then I fold this down and voila. So this is bar 2 table pull-out dinette. That's on all unmapped. Come with it. Now, while I'm in the kitchen, let me finish the kitchen. You have a nice pantry. You have big doors for cooking pans. A place for trash can. This is power cord. Nicer sink. Chopping board. And place for, the nicer faucet, the 3-way faucet you could do. Plug for 110 USB. Place for dishes, and dishes right here. Air fryer, convection, so it's convection microwave, electric oven, microwave, air fryers. And then this piece I could put it here as a backsplash if I want to. 3-burner range and all these doors. And then you have a nice TV, run off 12 volt. And this TV, as you see, I could see it from this, I call it the 3-seat sofa, but it's not a sofa. I could sit 3 people on it, but it's a theater seating with a middle console. So if I have my kids, I could sit 3 people of just me and the wife. I drop this piece in the middle. Voila, a cup holder. I have another eating table, so I could sit 4 or 5 on that dinette. 2 here, 6, 7 people sitting eating in that trailer. I could have my plate, my laptop, my drink, my watching the game, and this TV. People in the bunk, they could see it, no question asked. Now, the rest of the stuff, that's all Arpod. Oh, I forgot to mention the extension counter. So you have room, plus this one. So you could see the amount of the counter space. Look how big this counter space. It's all big. And come with the central vac, the dust buster central vac, same all Arpod. And then you have also here the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, run of 12 volt, no question asked. And then going to the master bedroom, we have a nice big bed. It's a king size bed, as you see. It's a big one with hanging clothes on both sides. I like those baskets for socks, underwears, and so on. There's the plugs for phone and CPAP machine on both sides. There's the storage underneath. This is the central vac with doors. You can open them. There's 4. So and then the 400 watt on the roof. And then you have a solid pocket door here. No question asked. I could put a TV on that corner if I want to. And there's a TV hookup. Now going to the bunk. As we mentioned, double over double, sleep 2 people. And then there's a light, USB plug, 110. Same thing, light, USB plug. And we talk about this bunk flip and give you more storage. And then going to the back, and then you have another closet for the bunk people. There's the outside sprayers. And then coming here, I love this kind of great paneling. And then you have skylight, big shower, roll up, mirrors with LED light, sink, covers, shelves. I like this touch, and no issue for knees, no question asked. Beautiful bathroom. So this is the unmapped by RPod, Forest River Division. Beautiful unit. Come grab it. See all these new changes, because we have a price. You shop, shop, shop. No one will match our prices. We'd love to make it happen for you. Click on the link or call us, and we'll love to make it happen. Coming in.